Hey folks, I went to Comic-Con today. Let's do the CSS Battle on CSSBattle.dev, and what have we here? The operative question is that shape, are all three of those shapes the same shape? Let's go blank template. We put yellow on the background, and we create the top left. Yeah, we'll go top left. All right, so how do we do that? We're going to use I think because we're going to need multiple, I'm going to start with there. We're going to need more numbers. So let's do 20, 60. So each one of these numbers is going to push on this figure a little bit. 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70. Oh, too much. 67, 68. Okay. And then this pushes in. How about 160? How about 170, 180? Too much. 172, 178, 177, 176, 176. And I think we just need 0 here, 0. And then what's this number? More than 60. How about 80? How about 100? 120, 130, 135, 136. And then the height is 80. Nope. 70. Nope. 71. 72. And then we do a border radius of some small weird number. They feel a little asymmetric, but that might just be my eyeballs lying to me because I'm a little tired. Let's try 20 pixels. Okay, so that's number 1. Now, the simple move, if they're all the same, is box shadow. And we'll do the red one first. So, what, 30 pixels over? Actually, probably it's more like the width. Let's say 100 pixels over. And then 20, 25 pixels down. Okay, so that's close. How about 90 over? How about 91? 91, 91, 92, and then 20. And then we add the red color, and there it is. Hey, we like it. And then the next one, could it be a similar number? I kind of feel like it's 20 pixels, 92 pixels. And then this color. Sure. And let's submit. Is that all we do? It might be all we do. The old box shadow trick. This kind of makes me want to, because of the relative simplicity of this, I'm going to be bold and see if we can copy and paste these styles. These are the styles. Do the nested template. Do that. And put yellow on the HTML element. Yeah. And 0, 30, 160. All right. And then this last number will be more like, what, 200. Great. 130. Okay, great. How about 80? Oh. How about 170? Okay, so we're kind of, you see us nailing in or scrunching in. Here's what we have now. So we're using what we learned with the paragraph tag, and we're applying those same border radius and the backgrounds to this element. So we need different margin values to alter the margins on the HTML element to make this work. So 4, 5, 6, perfect. And then this one gets more, 170. How about 175? I don't think that's that. And this is going to be a little less, 60, 50. Close. And then this is a little more, 35, 36. Great. And then so the bottom one is a little more, 151, 152. And then this is one more, 76. And then let's make sure that's 100%. Yeah, so we minify and unit replace. That's pretty much how we do that. Pretty fun, pretty fun. Comfortable in a way that's very fun, and a score that's more than 700, which is always a nicety. That says it's a pretty good score. Below 600 is you didn't quite get 100%. Above 700 is you did pretty well. I think it's under 100 and I feel like it's like under 150 characters, but it it depends. All of these things depend. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Go make a web page. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I am very lucky. I get to go do fun stuff, but it is very difficult for a lot of people out there. A lot of people struggling. Try to think of them. All right, get out of here. Have a good day.